Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Ludo King updates stuck on waiting or not even showing up in the App Store? Here's how to force it through. First, open your App Store and click on your profile picture at the top right corner. Then pull down on the screen to force a refresh of available updates. Then look for Ludo King in the list and tap update if it appears. If the update is stuck on waiting, tap and hold the Ludo King app on your home screen, then tap pause download, then tap it again and tap resume download to restart it if it keeps failing. Again, go to your settings app, then go to general, then go to iPhone settings, then go to iPhone storage and then tap on it and confirm you have at least 1 to 2 gigabytes of free space since updates fail silently when storage is too low. Free up space by offloading unused apps and retry. Also, try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data in the settings before retrying if the download keeps on stalling. So all you've got to do is App Store pull to refresh, pause and resume if stuck, free up storage, try mobile data, Ludo King updates, and that's it. Subscribe.